Are you still manually adding your system.io leads to the Google Sheet? Then this video is definitely for you. So right here I'm going to subscribe to the system.io by filling this form, having the first name of the user as test, last name as user, and here I'm going to provide the email as test@pabblytudes.com, and now let's enter the phone number. Now let me submit this form, which is successfully submitted. Now this lead or this contact will be automatically added to my Google Sheet. So now let's move on towards my Google Sheet. And right here you can see that I'm successfully receiving this lead, having the full name, test user, email, and the phone number which we have just filled over our system.io form. So now you can see that we are successfully receiving our lead. So now you can also create this automation and can automatically save your system.io leads to the Google Sheet without any manual work by just using one and only automation tool called as Pabbly Connect. And using Pabbly Connect is so easy and you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating it. And now this automation tool is going to make your work process more easy and less time consuming. So now let me show you how to use this automation tool, and let's integrate both these applications. And not only these applications, by using Pabbly Connect you can integrate thousands of varieties of application. So now let's move on towards the workflow page. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is for the sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you have to sign up for free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, then you have to sign in. And if you like this automation and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards my workflow page, where we are getting this option for adding the trigger. So right here I'm going to select my trigger application as system.io, as I want to receive my new leads as soon as someone will fill my subscription form for the system.io account, which I'm going to select. Now let's select the app event as contact, subscribe to a form. Now let's build the connection, and now we are getting this webhook URL which we have to enter over our system.io account so that we can fetch lead received over our system.io account. So for that, let's move on towards my system.io account, where on the sales funnel you can see that I have created one funnel named as lead, which I'm going to use. Now for adding the webhook URL, you just have to move towards the automations, where you have to set a new rule. And now here I'm going to add a new automation rule. So for that we just have to click over this create button, and right here we have to select the trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger as funnel step form subscribed, and now let's choose the funnel which I have already shown you. And now let's select the step page for this funnel. So here I have selected this page, and now let's select the action. So here I'm going to select my action as send webhook, means as soon as someone will subscribe to my funnel step, that lead should be sent to this particular webhook. And right here I'm going to add the webhook URL which I have just received from Pabbly Connect, so that the data can be sent to this particular webhook. Now let's save this rule by simply selecting the save button, and right here you can see that my automation rule has been created successfully, and here it is waiting for the webhook response. So now let's fill our subscription form and receive a new lead. So right here I'm going to add my new lead, having the first name as Smart, last name as user, email address, and the phone number. Now let's submit this form, and right here you can see that it is successfully submitted. Now this lead might be captured by Pabbly Connect. So now let's move on towards Pabbly Connect, where you can see 11 seconds ago we have received this response, and this response consists of all the fields which we have just filled. And right here you can check out the details of the user, where you can see its first name, its last name, its phone number, and its email address too. So now here we are having the data of our lead. And now I'm going to add this lead to my Google Sheet. So here I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheet. Now let's select the app event as add new row and build the connection. And right here for building the new connection, you have to sign up with your Google account, but I'm going to use my existing connection. And here my connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting this first field for selecting the spreadsheet. So right here my spreadsheet has been already selected, that is system.io leads, and now we are getting all these fields which we have to fill. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type the data for these fields. But no, because Pabbly Connect provides us a method called as mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these fields from the response which I'm receiving from system.io, as this is my previous application. And the process is simple. You just have to select the field and the slash symbol. So right here we are getting our previous application, that is system.io. So from its response, I'm going to map the first name of the user, provide the space, and I'm going to map the last name of the user. And now let's map the rest of the details likewise. So here I have mapped it as well, and now let's map the phone number of the user. So here I'm going to map the phone number too, and now these fields are dynamic, means these will be replaced as the new form submission will be received over your system.io account. Now let's save and send test request by simply selecting this button, and right here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that this contact might be added to our Google Sheet. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet, where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this data, having the full name, email, and the phone number which I have just filled over my system.io form. So now you can see that we have successfully added our system.io lead to the Google Sheet. So you can also do this by just using an automation tool called as Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.